Hi trader, this is Mario from Forex. Other way. Today's video I'm just going to tell you a small remark. I observed one simple thing on the market. Let's start the rock and roll. You don't even realize how simple could be the cycles of the market. I just don't want to draw any line, any square, and a triangle today. I'm just going to show you one simple thing. Do you know what window dressing is? Window dressing is a very simple thing. All the banks, investment houses, hedging funds, pension funds, and whoever else who is dealing with big money, the big banksters, big guys, they're just making better their books. They are buying or they are selling at the end of the month. Just stay with me 1 minute, I will show you. We are starting from, let's say, December. This is 2nd of January. What happened before? It was just lovely window cleaning, window dressing over here. Look here, but it's not that simple. Let's go to the end of January. We are 31st of January. We start February. Again, the dressing, boom. Let's go further. March, where we are? We are here, 1st of March, and so on and so on. Look, April, 2nd of April, 1st, 2nd, we got the bottom here, the market changed direction, whatever it is. May, we say on share market, sell in May and go away. It's not the case. May, not big deal. Again, 1st of May, boom, the price has fallen. June, let's go June. What June happened? 30th of May. Where is June? June, 1st of June was Sunday or Saturday. That's the reason. Monday the market started rallying. Next one, July, starts here. Look. It repeats over and over. Don't need any tool, don't need anything. August starts, boom. You can see September, the next one. And so on. If you check it, 1st of October, famous one. Market started rising. November, 1st of November, boom. Here we go. It's 4th of November. Let's do it first. As you see, we are on the top. Window dressing again. What about December? Where's December? It is here. Look at this one. Here we are, 2nd of December. Was it the first one? No, first one was Sunday. January, business as usual. What happened last time? What happened few days ago? We are 5th of February today. Look here, same story. 31st of January, business is over, window dressing finished, boom. I hope it helped. Watch my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.